Hello great people, you are welcome back to Physique House channel. My name is Fola. I appreciate as many that has been subscribing to this channel, and if you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe today. Thank you. Today we'll be learning how to make one beautiful double structured pleated sleeve. For this sleeve, I'll be making use of like 1.5 years out of this African Prince Ankara for the two sleeves. Will make use of my lining and this interfacing. It's a thick paper interfacing. Some people call it peplum stay. So let's get started. Now I've gone ahead to cut out two pieces out of my fabric for us to use for one sleeve. You know, it's double. So I cut the one that will be under. I cut out 15 inches by 20 inches on fold. So the second one, 15 inches by 15 inches on fold as well. So the next thing we'll do is to grab our bodies. So I'll be using this overlap crop top I recently made to fix this sleeve. So the next thing I will do is just to measure my armhole circumference. I will just measure it on fold this way. I have 8.5. So this 8.5, I will multiply it by 2. When I multiply it by 2, it gives me 17 inches. So it is that 17 inches I will get on this piece. That 17 inches, you can just add half an inch to it as a joining allowance. So I measure 17.5. Yes. So just mark that area where you get your. So I just draw it this way. I take it again. Yeah, I have my 17.5. So I will cut it out. So place it on the second one and cut it out. So this is it. We have our two pieces now. So the next thing we do is that we cut out this paper stay. We cut it out the same way and go and gum it to this fabric. Cut out our lining the same way. So let me go and do that and come and show you the outcome. Now I've gone ahead to gum the paper stay to my fabric. So for the upper one, that is the smaller one, I decided to use lighter paper interfacing because the harder one down here will still give it a strength so that it will not be too hard while you are sewing it. And I've cut out the lining the same way. This is the lining. This is the lining for the shorter one. This is the lining for the longer one. So the next thing I want to do now is to shape it. I want to shape my sleeve now. And to achieve that, just fold it. Let it be on fold. Then from front here, just step inward like 5 to 6 inches. Let me use 5.5. Then for this side, just step down like 2 inches. Grab your French cuff to connect it from that point. Yeah. So having done this, I will just cut it out. So the same thing I do here, I will do it on the line. So So this is for the longer sleeve. So I'll still do it for the lining. Let me shape the shorter one. So to shape this shorter one, what you do is that you come to this armhole curve, just step inward like 3 inches, just this way. Then do the same thing I did down here, step in like 5.5 to 6 inches, then connect it just the way I'm doing it. Yeah, ensure that you put sign to your sleeve so that you won't mess it up. So having done this, I'll do the same thing to the lining. Then the next thing I will do is to place it on itself after joining the lining. I'll first of all join the lining to it before I do this. To join the lining, after shaping the lining as well, just let me shape the lining. So the next thing you will do is to place the lining on the right side. So then join it down here. Join it at the down part here. Turn it, top stitch on the lining. Then turn it to the right side. I will do the same thing to the shorter one. Then you come and do the next line of action. Now I've gone ahead to join the lining and the fabric together. This is the upper part of the sleeve. This is the down part, the bigger one. I've joined the lining and the fabric together at the edge of the sleeve. Then I top stitch. The same thing is done to the shorter one. So the next thing I will do now is just to place the smaller one on the bigger one. You will have notched the shoulder region of the sleeve. This way, then you will join it together. After joining this together, join the side of the sleeve. Join it here, lining to lining, fabric to fabric. So thereafter, you begin to pleat this upper region to give you the armhole circumference that you earlier measure in your top. Here we have the final look of our sleeve. This is the armpit region of our sleeve. I've pleated it. When I measure it now, it gives me 8.5, which we have in the top. So the next thing I will do is just to go and fix it to my top. I'll just go and fix it here. I'll make the second one and fix it. You can see how it stands. By the time it gets to your body, this is how it will stand. So you will see, it will still speak better when it gets to the body or the body form. So let me go and fix it to the top. So here we come to the end of this class. I'm sure you have really enjoyed this class. Try it on and let me hear from your comments. Share this video with your friends and family. And if you are still yet to subscribe, do it to subscribe now.